Good day, class. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve quadratic equations by factoring method. Okay. First of all, a quadratic equation is an equation of this form. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Take note, a should not be equal to 0 to have a quadratic equation. Let's take a look at a simple example. If we have x squared is equal to x plus 20, the first thing that we should do is to be able to write it in this standard form. First step to do that, or to be able to do that, we should transpose x plus 20 to the left side of the equation so that all of them should be equal to 0. Now, what is the next step? The next step is to find out what are the factors of 20 that will have a sum or difference of negative 1 or 1. If we list the factors of 20, it could be 20 times 1, 10 times 2, or 5 times 4. Notice the only combination that will give a sum or difference of 1 is 5, 4, or 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Okay, we use 5 and 4 in the two binomials that should be multiplied to get this product, x squared minus x minus 20. We will have x minus 5, quantity x minus 5 times quantity x plus 4 is equal to 0. And we should have a sign of negative 5 and positive 4 to get the middle term, which is negative x. How do we get that middle term, or how do we check? Negative 5 times x, that's the inner product, which is negative 5x. X times 4, or positive 4, is 4x. That's the outer product. And then we add. If we add, you will have negative 5x plus 4x equals negative x. That is the middle term that we are looking for. And we proceed with the solution for the zeros of the x, or the values of x. And we proceed with the values of x. X minus 5, that's from this one, should be equal to 0. Or x plus 4 is equal to 0. So where did we get that idea? It is from the zero product theorem. So what is the zero product theorem? Let's say we have two expressions, c and d. If we multiply that, which is equal to 0, there are two possibilities. Either c is equal to 0 or d is equal to 0. One example is 0 times 2 is 0, or 5 times 2 is 5 times 0 is 0. From here, if we have x minus 5 equals 0, transpose 5 or negative 5, we will have x equals 5. And from x plus 4 equals 0, transpose positive 4, we will have x equals negative 4. Now to check, we only have to substitute the obtained value of x in the original equation. So how do we do that? Let's say x is equal to 5. From here, you will have x, which is 5 now, squared. 5 squared is that equal to 5 plus 20? Let's check. 5 squared is 25, that's correct. And 5 plus 20 is 25. So 5 is a possible solution, or actually one of the solutions. Now, let's check negative 4. If x is negative 4, replace x with negative 4 here. Negative 4 squared equal to, replace x again with negative 4. That is negative 4 plus 20. And simplifying, we will have 16 equals 16. So that is another solution. So if we want to write the solution set Okay, x is 5 and negative 4.